Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Born Pretty Store have very kindly sent me some nail products to review on my channel. I am however doing this review slightly different and there will be two videos and I'm very excited to share both of them with you. As always, you can find all the links to the Born Pretty Store website in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification turned on. And please also like this video. These really do help out my channel. Thank you. Here are the products I've been sent. Now, two of them are a little unusual for me. So the first item is the really pretty black and white lace nail self adhesive stickers. Now there are some instructions on the back of the packet. These will look great added to a nail and then colouring them all in. I think them flowers would really pop. Now I've personally never used something like this, so I'm intrigued on how I will get on with them. There is a choice of 5 different sheets to choose from, but they're all really pretty. Next we have a small pot of rose and crystal 3D gems. Again, I've never used anything like these before and they come in 7 different colours and I went for the pinky purple and silver pot. I'm going to use my silicone tool to pick up some to show you what's inside, but we have some tiny little pearls which are just really pretty, along with some crystals. These are the pointy back, not the flat backs that we're used to. Then we have some pink cat eye gems which look really pretty, and then some rectangular crystals. Now I will say these crystals are really sparkly. Also there is some square cat eyes in a smoky white clear, which is very unusual. And then we have some roses. Again, these have a pointy back to them, but they are stunning. Now with the crystals there is 2 sizes and I would probably say they're a size 3 to 4 and 5, but a real nice mix of different bits to add to any nail. I'll be using these and the sheet in the next video and I'll show you how I use them. Then moving on, we have 3 gel polishes which I'll be swatching in this video. So they came in these really pretty boxes which on the back contains all of their information, bits and pieces. I don't tend to keep the boxes though, so this is a set of 3 gel polishes, but you can purchase them individually. They are also from the new gel polishes that Born Pretty have recently been releasing. Now all of the bottles have their names and numbers on their bottoms, which is good for reference. I will be doing bottle caps later. And all of these bottles are their 6ml. So the first gel polish is BP-BL01 Night, and this is a very pigmented black and it has a really nice consistency as well. It's not super thick, but it's a really nice thick creamy nice gel polish. Next we have BP-BL02 Day, which is a white, and I have to say this is a very bright white. Again, the same consistency as the black, but it's a really nice super bright white. And then we have BP-BL03 Red Sun, which is a red. Now it is coming across slightly different on camera than it is in person, but it's not far from what I would call a bright red. I'm going to swatch these gel polishes onto some pop sticks, and I'm going to be using the Born Pretty No Wipe Top Coat to finish them off, which I will do at the end. I'm also going to do another set of 3 colours off camera, and I'll be using the Born Pretty No White matte top coat to finish these off, so you can basically see both of them together. So I'm going to start with the black, and because blacks can be quite hard to cure, I'm going to apply it in a super thin layer. This is how I work with blacks. I'll also be curing the black for 60 seconds, as I have found that curing slightly longer also helps with blacks. Blacks have a tendency of wrinkling and doing all sorts of crazy things in the lamp, but by doing this super thin and a little bit longer in the lamp, I hardly have any issues with blacks anymore. And as you can see, it's cured brilliantly. So I'll now apply the second coat, which again I'm going to keep nice and thin and again cure for slightly longer, but I think 2 coats will probably be fully opaque for this black, and then I'll cure again. Now this black sort of reminds me of the Your Sugar 666, which is my favourite black. It's just not as thick, that's the only difference. So onto the white, and I've already applied the first coat, and I'm going in with the second coat now. Again, with whites I keep the layers nice and thin and also cure them for 60 seconds. Now these did cure in 30 seconds in my lamp, but I just like to do them just a little bit longer because of the crazy curing in the lamp, because blacks and whites are well known for being tinkers, shall we say. But again, the white is 2 coats fully opaque. Onto the red, and I'm just going to repeat the same again. Now when I purchase a new brand of gel polish, I always go for whites and blacks, just because they're the ones to really show what the gel polish is like and how they cure. Now with this red, I will only cure it for the 30 seconds because it doesn't tend to do the weird crazy things in the lamp. And I am using my 48 watt UV and LED lamp, and as you can see, it's cured beautifully again. So now I've finished applying. I've got 2 full sets of gel polish pop sticks. I've also completed the bottle lids as well, and they fit really nicely onto the lids. I really didn't think they would, to be fair. So as I said earlier, one set I will apply the Born Pretty No White top coat, and the other one will have the Born Pretty matte No White top coat, and I'll cure this for 60 seconds in my lamp. Now with white gel polishes, top coats can make them go to an off-white creamy colour. So what I do is I apply the layer really thin, and this stops the colour appearing. I also find that it's more that the no white top coats do this for me, but I just keep it really thin and it shouldn't happen. With the other 2, I'll just apply as I would normally. These gel polishes have been really nice to use. I've had no issues. They're really pigmented, apply really well. I think for me the only problem I have is the size of the bottle. 6ml isn't very big, but I've noticed that all of the new ones are this smaller size, yet you're still paying the same price as the old 10ml. These gel polishes were $3.59. I personally like the normal size bottles, especially in whites and blacks, as I go through them so quickly. So whilst the first set is curing, I'm going to apply a layer of the matte no white top coat. This is my favourite matte top coat to use, and I use it over all of my stamping pop sticks. So in the next video I'm going to be making a mani using all of these products. It's something I've not done for a long time, so I'm excited to share this with you. So now these are all cured and looking fabulous and glossy. Some really nice gel polishes, and now that the matte have finished curing as well, and they look great. So I'm going to show them glossy versus matte on each colour. This is the white. It looks great. Whichever way you top coat is going to be great, and it's great also for a base. Then the red, again, it looks good either way. This colour will be great for fall and winter manis. I personally like it glossy though. And then the black. I love black nails. It's the rebel in me, and again it looks great either way. I would love to see some silver stamping over this, or even a pearl white. Thank you to Born Pretty Store for sending me these products to review. Make sure you come back to see how I created a mani using all of these products. All of my swatches and pictures will be over on my Instagram page in the next few days. There is a link in the description box below. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on these products that Born Pretty have sent me. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Comment below. I love to hear from you. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, thanks for watching and bye.